Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. I'm Lola. So today I'm gonna work in my garden because it's springtime, nice weather, work outside, right? So we're gonna refresh some stuff like an old bird bath or planters because I'm gonna put some plants and flowers that I bought yesterday. And then I'm gonna refresh my entrance from the outdoor to make it look pretty. So stay with me and let's do something today, guys. Okay guys, for our project today we start with these two. I got this on the street. I found it on the street last year, and I think if we paint it white it's gonna look cute and fresh. And this one I got this from my friends. They both move out of Canada and they give it to me, and we're gonna refresh this too, and let's do it. Alright guys, we will start with the bird bath. I need to clean it first before my paint job because my bird bath was outside all through the winter, last winter, so I need to clean it from all the dirt and the spider web. I hope we will have shed someday so we can store it actually inside. Okay, now after we put it upside down, I'm gonna start painting. I'm using a spray paint from Rust-Oleum and the color is dark walnut and the finish is satin. Okay guys, the next is the planter basket. It's the same. We're gonna put it upside down and then we're gonna paint it with Rust-Oleum spray paint and the color is white. So now we are back to the bird bath. We're done with the bottom part and now we're gonna paint the top side. Okay guys, I'm sorry for the angle of my camera because I was focused when I'm working, so sometimes I forget there's a camera in front of me and I forget everything. I'm really sorry. I will try to do my best next time. Okay guys, it's the same for planter basket. I will need to paint the top side right now. Okay guys, this is the next project. I always want to make a welcome sign in front of the entrance. So I always found wood lying around at my husband's garage, and one of them I wanted to have a function. So I asked my husband to put like a box to put a plant inside. So yeah, I'm very excited. So for the paint for the first coat, I'm using a primer from Kiehl's. Now it's time for the second coat. I'm using a paint from Bear Scuff Defense. Now it's time to paint the back side with Bear Scuff Defense. Alright guys, now it's time to put the welcome wording on the wood, and I'm using a stock card alphabets I bought at Michael's. So for the wording, I'm using an acrylic paint I bought at Dollarama. It's Art Deco and the color is black. It's just like using ordinary stencil. I dab it gently with a foam brush. Now the one with the planter box, it's time to put the word home. So before I hang these signs, I need to put the flower first on one of the signs, and I did make some changes on the plant in the end, but I love the result. For the last project, we're gonna refresh this old planter with white paint. I'm not gonna make this white, I just want to make the detail on the planter pop. So what I did is, after I put the white paint, I wipe it again with a Scott towel to take off some paint. For this planter, I'm gonna put kales I got from my friend. Thank you so much, Daisy, for the kale, for the chili, and the tomato. You're the best. I really like the result after the green on the white. I think it's really pop and nice mix. So guys, the best part is always putting the plants in the soil. That is the best part. I found it very therapeutic. So I don't know if you can see, like behind me, I just finished shopping. Get some plants from the nursery, and they're just so gorgeous. And I think every summer my house looks prettier because lots of flowers, colorful, and that's the best time. Oh yeah guys, for the planter I forgot to put my house number, so I just put a sticker I bought from Dollarama, and for the top I cover it with varnish. You can see here kales, tomato, and chili tree, all from my friend Daisy. Thank you again. These two hanging baskets is all the new flowers I bought at the garden center. Now the white planter basket I just painted, it looks lovely with all the colors on my garden. And for the bird bath, there was no top, it was damaged when I got it. So I put a garden gnome I got from Dollarama, just drill the hole and just pop it there. Thank you Farah and Steve for the bird bath. I hope you guys watching this. So this is how the garden, my front garden and my entrance looks right now. I'm quite happy with the result. Time flies when you're having fun. It's so true. It's sunset already and it's time for me to make dinner for my family. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's project. Don't forget to leave your comment and like. And don't forget to subscribe because it will help my channel to grow bigger. Thank you so much for visiting my channel, and then see you in my next project. Tada!